Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty favorites video. I'm going to be sharing with you all my current beauty favorites from makeup and also to skincare. I have a full table of products right here. They're basically products that I have not been able to put down. The makeup products have just been my go-tos. These are the products that I use on a daily basis that I literally cannot put up. I cannot take them off of this table. I have to have them right here so I can use them every day. So yes, we have a lot of goodies here, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop into this so this video won't be too long. If you're interested in seeing my current beauty favorites, you know what to do, just please stay tuned. But before we get into it, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the gray notification bell beside the subscribe button so you can be notified of any of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I don't think I'm going to go in any particular order. I'm just going to start here and work my way there. But I am going to start with makeup first and we'll finish it up with the skincare products. So first off on my table, I have right here the Hank & Henry Slick With It Liquid Eyeliner. And it's a long wear liquid eyeliner and it's in the shade Blickity Black. This eyeliner in a recent BoxyCharm. I believe it was the BoxyCharm for this past month, September, and I am so pleasantly surprised by it. It is so easy to apply. As you can see, it has that little marker pen, and I did not expect much from this eyeliner really, because a lot of times the eyeliners that they put in the BoxyCharms are not that great. The eyeliners, a lot of times they're not good. I've only gotten a couple really good ones, and this is one of them. It's so amazing. I used it to do my winged liner today along with the next product that I'm going to be showing you. All I do is just do my little wing right here and then just bring it in. This is one of the easiest eyeliners that I've ever used. It's really black. You can see right there, it's really black and it's very matte. It's not shiny. It's just everything you want in an eyeliner, and if you're a beginner, I highly recommend this. The next product that I want to mention are these e.l.f. eye tapes. These are the Line and Define eye tapes right here. These are only $2 to $3. I said I used another product to do my eyeliner today, and this is it. What I do is just take one of these right here. If you don't have these, guys, you definitely need these, especially if you are a beginner with winged liner, or even if you're not a beginner. What you do is just peel one of these tapes off right here. They easily come off like a sticker, and what I do is take some scissors like these right here and I cut one of these eye tapes in half, and then I apply it to the outer corners of my eyes, and then I use that as a guide to do my eyeliner, and it has made my eyeliner game go up, and it's kind of like foolproof. You can't really mess it up, or it's really hard to, because any mess up that you do just goes directly onto that eye tape. You peel it away and you have perfect wing liner. So the next products that I have been loving are all from Covergirl. If you watched one of my recent videos, I believe it was a video or two before this, I did a full face of Covergirl makeup. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it above right here. These are the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealers. I'm pretty sure you've heard of these if you are a makeup lover. I have 3 shades here. I have T700 and D100 first off. These are the 2 shades that I use to highlight under my eyes. I most love this color, which is the lighter shade. Both of these give me more of a natural type of under eye because they are not that bright. I do like the natural under eye that it gives me, and it makes it ideal for use every day. So I have been using these every day. I can't use any other concealer right now. I just can't. This concealer is so full coverage and it's just so easy to blend out. It dries very quickly, but it's not really that matte. It is very comparable to a high-end concealer, and these are only like $7 or $8. I can't put it down. I literally cannot put it down. I wear it every day to work. When I'm not at work, I'm wearing it right now. I cannot find a better concealer than these right now. So these are perfect for, you know, everything. Highlighting underneath the eyes and also contouring. They have a wide variety of shades. I forgot exactly how many, but I'll put the amount of shades right here, but it is a lot. They have that fat doe foot applicator, which is very reminiscent of the Tarte Shape Tape. The formula is like the Tarte Shape Tape, which is a $29 concealer, and this one's $7 or $8. the most full coverage drugstore concealer that I've ever tried. The next product from CoverGirl that I cannot put down, that I've been wearing every single day, I'm wearing it right now, is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. A little dusty right now because, like I said, I've been using it non-stop. This is in the shade D10 and I really love this shade for me. Just because it says it's matte made doesn't mean that a dry skin person like me cannot use it. Like I said, I've been using it every day and I really like it because it has really good longevity. Like I said, I go to work Monday through Friday. I wear this every day. By the end of the day, my face still looks pretty perfect, and I cannot say that for other foundations that I've tried that are more, you know, natural or dewy. This one, because it's matte, it is so long wearing. It gives you that high-end type of face for, you know, way less of a price. So yes, I love this foundation so much, can't put it down. It's very long wearing, it's not too matte, it stays in place. Once you put it on, it's not budging. It kind of gives you the type of feel that you don't need to set it. I have to set my foundation and my cream product, so I always do, and it gives me that long lasting finish that I'm looking for. I have two more products from CoverGirl that I have been loving, and the first one is this CoverGirl True Blend Minerals Loose Mineral Powder. This one is in the shade Banana. Really do like this powder. At first I was on the fence about it because it is so brightening, but I actually like that. I like how brightening it is. If you want a bright under eye, you need this. It says it's a banana shade, but once you put it on, you need to be very careful with how much you put on because it's so brightening. It will definitely just wake you up. It also does have little bitty specks of glitter in it, or like sheen or something, which might scare some people, but you cannot really tell when you put it on your under eye. It still looks really nice under there, and it really just flattens everything out. So once again, this CoverGirl face that I've been doing with the foundation, concealer, and then setting it with the powder has been amazing for me, especially for an everyday type of use. I think it's a really great powder, especially for the last product from CoverGirl that I've really been loving are these True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow highlighters right here. These are the highlighters that I've been wearing every single day. I have three shades right here. I have this one, which is Gilded Glory. It's a true gold. It's very good for brown skin tones because it's not too bright. It's like a true gold. I think somebody that's actually white or lighter, they might not like this. This might be a little bit too dark for them. If you're lighter, I definitely recommend this shade right here, which is called Pearl Crush. It's the lightest one that I have, and I absolutely love this. Even for me, I go in with Gilded Glory first, and then I top it off with Pearl Crush, and trust me girl, you is going to be beaming, like super duper beaming. These two right here, Gilded Glory and Pearl Crush, are the perfect combination, especially for somebody of a darker or deeper skin tone, because this is if you really want to take your glow to the next level. These don't look like much in the pan, but man, on your face they are beautiful, and it really doesn't look like much on my hand right here. It doesn't look like, you know, anything special. This is Gilded Glory, but I have Gilded Glory on my face today, and I didn't, you know, take it too far today because I just wanted a nice subtle glow. It's daytime. I'm about to go to my daughter's school actually, so I didn't want to, you know, do too much. And the last one that I have is Rose Quartz. This one is perfect for brown skin tones. This is the pinky like rose. Ooh, it's the bottom one right here. But if you're darker than me, you need this. You need this. Like, these are so affordable and they're amazing. I'm so shook that they're so good. These are the highlighters that I've been using every day, and I'm absolutely in love. I'm absolutely in love. So that's it for CoverGirl. CoverGirl is stepping their game up. I'm absolutely loving their products right now. Blush palette right here. This is by Alamar Cosmetics. This is their Colorete Blush Trio, and it's in Dark Rich. Look at this. I have been wearing this blush palette non-stop. This blush palette is perfect if you are of a darker or deeper skin tone. I'm wearing it today. I absolutely love it. I love using them separately, or I'll just take my brush and just go into all three and put it on my cheeks. That's what I did today, is just go in with all three. I love this shade range. So beautiful. Some of my favorite colors for blushes. I love orangey blushes, and I also love like deeper like berry type of blushes. So These mixed all three together are beautiful, and they're beautiful on their own. I highly recommend this palette. I have one more product from Alamar Cosmetics that I've been wearing nonstop. I have it on my lips right now. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Las Desnudas lipstick. It is in the color Dulce, and it's absolutely beautiful. This is a thick type of formula, so it's a thick type of gloss. As you can see, it's just really thick and really pretty, and it's so nice. Like, it's just a little tiny bit goes a long way. It lasts for a long time, and I love just going in with some type of like pinkish nude or brownish nude type of lip liner and outlining and filling in my lips, which is what I did today, and then just putting that on the center and blending it out, and it just gives you that really like nice type of lipstick, and it lasts so long because it's so thick. It's very thick, but it's not goopy. It smells really good, and yeah, it's amazing. I love it, and I want more. I have this and then just one or two more makeup products, and I had to give it a shout out. This is the Jackie, Aina, and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Jackie. She did that, man. It's so good. This palette is amazing, bro. Like, I love it. You know what it looks like? I have a review of it. I'm linking it above right here if you want to see that. But I am in love with this palette. It's absolutely stunning. It is stunning. I have it on my eyes right now, and as you can see, I just did something very simple, which is what I like about this palette. It's something that you can use every day. All I did was use Ginger, which is this transition shade right here, and then I went on my lid with just a little bit of Dulce. Dulce. I love saying that. I just went on my lid with a little bit of Dulce because I just wanted to, you know, keep it, like I said, nice and simple for daytime. But this is a palette you could really get vampy and sexy and sultry with, which I love. It's going to be a great palette for fall. It is worth the $45 that it is. Go get it. The last makeup product that I had to mention is actually a makeup tool. This is the Wet n Wild beauty sponge right here. This beauty sponge is only like $2 or $3.99. I got mine from Target. This is the softest, most squishiest beauty sponge that there is. I used to love the e.l.f. one. I still do. That's the one that I used on my face today because I wanted to keep this one nice and clean to show you guys. But this one is softer. This is the softest beauty sponge from the drugstore that I own now. This one is my absolute favorite. The e.l.f. one is a good second, but this one's definitely my #1 favorite drugstore sponge right now. I just got it in September, so I've been using it nonstop, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. You need it, and it's so affordable. Just go get it. I found mine at Target. I think I've seen it at Walmart too, so go get it. Okay guys, so those are my favorite beauty products right now. Those are my current beauty favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you go out and purchase some of these products because they are definitely worth it. Let me know if you have any of these products or if you plan on purchasing any. Thank you again so much for watching, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.